In our ever-changing technological world, it's easy to forget what came before us. It's even easier to take for granted what existed hundreds of centuries ago and brought us to where we are today. If given the chance to go back in time to the medieval ages, to walk the same paths they have for centuries before us, would you? I'm Natasha, and I've been living and traveling abroad for the last 6 years. I've recently moved to the northern part of Spain. Subscribe and let's get exploring. We are joined by my two crazy kooks, Pablo and Bella, and a couple of friends, Emmanuel and Nerea. Today's adventure brings us to the medieval town, Rupit, located in the heart of Catalonia. Good morning from Rupit. We are starting our journey an hour and a half away from Barcelona, a perfect day trip. Today is the first day that we can leave the city. Oh, it's gonna feel so good to be out in nature. I'm so ready for this. We are going hiking, and the starting point is from this little medieval town that was actually built in the 12th century. So we're starting here. We've already done a bit of a climb. Wampa looked at the weather report and it's -3 and snowing. I'm hoping I'm gonna see snow. I never thought I would say this when I was living in Canada. Never thought I would say it. But here I am saying, I hope I see snow. Luckily, or unluckily, depending on what you like, there's no snow. We had our coffees, our breakfast, and here we are. So cool! You're only allowed to have 10 people on this bridge and it is bouncy. Oh my gosh. It's one of those suspension bridges. Woo. You fall, you're in the river.
Actually.
Hopefully, because of all the rain that we've had in the last week or so, there will be a lot of water at the waterfall. So we'll find out. So you've got tons of wildlife here. You've got wild dogs, wild donkeys. Hi, sweetie. Camera shy? Give me your rear end. So beautiful. One thing, we just ran into a few locals. They said that we have to have Bella on a leash because we've got cows, donkeys along the trail. So Bella's pretty good, but sometimes she gets excited. Well, we just went maybe 2 kilometers up that way and realized that we were no longer on the path. So Nerea, she has like a map on her phone and she's following that.
Because
we were trying to see if we can
no, we need to go back. There's no way we're gonna reach that.
Cliff.
No, yeah, we need to go back.
No cliffs.
We don't have any rope.
But we had to come back because we were going the wrong way. And so we went through this second gate here. That's like 5-10 meters away from the first. I think we just missed it, maybe because we thought we had to go that way. It's a way better view because we were just walking through the forest, fresh air, but here, stunning. Which is quite a contrast to the little village, right? Because the little village is very brown, very dry. Then you come out here, it's like a different world. Here we go. We're on the right trail now. It's a little bit more hikey. I think I got it. Ooh. Suavecito. Good girly. Good girly. We made it to the top. Yeah, we're at the top now. Look at this. Emmanuel the Brave.
Ah, yes.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, it is.
Cool.
That's really nice, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sharp drop though, eh? Now I'm nervous. Where are you? Can you see me? So it's crazy to think that we were just up there. Up at that very top. You might be able to see the people. Yeah, we were just up there. And it doesn't really look that far from down here, but holy crap. You fall, you're toast. It's kind of crazy. It's so beautiful out here. It feels so good to be out of the city. Again, being cooped up for that long, not having nature. It's insane what nature does for us, right? Like I just feel like all my worries, all my problems are just kind of melted away. It feels so good. And the fresh air. It's such a privilege. And it's funny how you take these things for granted, right? Never again will I take this for granted. This is what we came for. This is the Salt de Sallent. This is like one of the main tourist attractions around Rupit. It's best to come after it's been raining. So all week it was raining in the area and then it was snowing. So of course it's much stronger now. So beautiful. It's tied around her butt. There we go. It's crazy. You can see the trail that we came on. So we went all the way around that mountain, up to the top there, and then down around, all through that road and around. It's just incredible. So we're coming full circle here. Rupit is right behind me, and I don't know if you can see the Catalan flag. If you don't know, Spain and Catalonia have this kind of quarrel, and I'm not going to get into it in this video, but in certain parts of Spain they only speak Catalan because they're trying to preserve their culture. My hope is that we can keep doing this, preserving the things that are important to us and not taking things for granted. That's my hope. our little hike is coming to a close, so I'm gonna sign off here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the like button. And let me know what you think of the hike, if it's something that you'd be keen to do, and if you have any questions. So have a wonderful day and see you next time. Bye friends.